Hello, in this video we'll show you the location and wiring diagram for the throttle body or throttle valve on Audi A4 and A5 B8 with a 2.7 TDI and 3 liters TDI engines. Before showing you the location of the throttle body on the car, first I'll show you the wiring diagram in the service manual. In the service manual, I'm going to select the car, select the engine, and then show you the wiring diagram and the component location. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. So here on the left you can see the throttle body, what it looks like in the photo, and we can see right there it's number 25 throttle control unit. It's on the front left of the engine. Next I'll show you the wiring diagram for the throttle body. So the throttle body is located right there, A177, illuminated in blue, and it has 4 wires. One of them is brown, going directly to ground. Second one is red and white, and it's going up to a fuse. It's even sharing this fuse with a couple of other sensors. It's F5 fuse in the engine bay area. The third and the fourth wire are going directly into the engine control module. One of them is blue and red, going into the engine control module, and the other one is blue and yellow. Next I'll show you the location of the throttle body on the car. The throttle body is located on this air intake pipe right there. That's the throttle body, and the electrical connector is on the bottom. This air intake pipe goes directly into the intake manifold. In order to get to the electrical connector, we might need to remove this air intake hose, and then we'll have access to the electrical connector. Hopefully the video was helpful. Thank you for watching.